Hi, this is your host Dipali on Intellect Digest, and let's get started with another episode. Oppo has just launched its selfie-focused smartphone called the F1s in India, and in this video, I will share hands-on of the Oppo F1s smartphone. On design front, it looks similar to other F1 series smartphones. It flaunts its all-metal body, which looks very elegant. It is a very sleek phone and weighs around 160 grams. On the front, you get a 5.5-inch display. Above the display, there is a 16-megapixel secondary camera along with earpiece and sensors. Below the display, there is a physical home button placed between two touch navigation buttons which are backlit. The home button also doubles up as a fingerprint sensor. Volume rockers are placed on the left edge, and right edge houses hybrid dual SIM card tray and power button. On the bottom edge, there is 3.5mm audio jack along with primary microphone, charging port and speakers. Top edge has a secondary mic. On the rear, you get 13-megapixel primary camera, LED flash and Oppo branding. Overall build quality of the phone is very sturdy and it is a very slim and premium looking phone. It features a 5.5-inch HD IPS LCD display with 720p resolution. The display is sharp and vibrant and viewing angles are also good. Now let's talk about the camera department, which is also the highlight of this phone. It sports a 16-megapixel front camera and a 13-megapixel rear camera. The camera app comes with numerous controls, modes and filters to enhance the images. Quality of the images taken with this phone is great. It takes excellent selfies with great detailing and clarity. Although the highlight of this phone is selfie camera, yet the primary camera also does a great job in capturing great shots. Overall camera quality is very impressive. Under the hood, it is powered by an octa-core MediaTek 6750 processor clubbed with 3GB of RAM. It comes with 32GB of internal memory, which can be expanded up to 128GB using microSD card. The configuration of this phone is powerful enough to handle multitasking and gaming with ease. And during our time with the phone as well, the performance was seamless. Here are some benchmark results that we ran on this phone. On software front, it runs Android 5.1 Lollipop wrapped under ColorOS. The interface is smooth and clean. It is backed up by a 3750 mAh battery which should easily survive for a day on moderate usage. Oppo F1s really impresses us with its premium design, great camera capabilities and more. If you are a selfie lover and are looking for a phone with impressive camera combination and decent performance, then you should go for this phone. If you want to buy one for yourself, then we are leaving direct links in the description section below. Please like, share and comment on this video and do subscribe for more such videos. This is your host Dipali signing off. Thanks for watching and have a great day.